What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on AMP, which has pumped up just about 3% in the last 24 hours. Nothing too major, and as you can see, most of the pump did come from last night, where it went through quite an increase and then dropped back down in value, and right now slowly starting to gain value again. So what we're going to be going through in today's video is the usual, looking at its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2023. Where is AMP likely to head towards? Is there a pump coming soon? Is it time to buy? Is it time to sell? Or is it simply time to hold on to the crypto? So yes, we are going to cover both short-term and long-term investors, and also both buyers and sellers point of view as well. But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash the subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So as you can see, the market is up just about a percentage in the last 24 hours, and we still have Bitcoin trading at $26,000, so nothing too crazy at the moment. And the crypto market has been quite slow over the last 3-4 weeks, and as you can see, we do have AMP, which has gained 3%. Over the last hour, it has gained a percentage. Over the week, again 3%, no much movement. It's been a slow and steady increase in value, but it has been quite volatile as well. And over the month, a massive drop, guys, 30% down. And if you guys are not aware, there was quite of a crypto crash about 2-3 weeks ago, and as you can see, this crypto has been slowly and steadily dropping in value quite consistently over the last 4 weeks, which is not looking too great, but hopefully we should see it recover over the coming weeks and months as well. But again, it will be a very slow gain up in value. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the CoinMarketCap website, and we can see here the trading volume has gone up to $8.5 million in the last 24 hours. Only reason is, yes, we did have a pump yesterday, so more people are looking into the project, is getting a lot more attention, and it is one of the top trending cryptos in the last 24 hours as well. And as you can see, the volume has gone up over 100%. The only reason is it's pumping, more people are selling and more people are buying it. So in general, overall, we have a lot of traders in the last 24 hours. So on the screen, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the MACD indicator, which I'm going to be using to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So at the moment, we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here, we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of AMP, which is here in purple, at 0.002236 cents. However, we can see it trading at a slightly lower value here in red at 0.0021 cents, meaning it's not performing too well and lower than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that, guys, as usual, just a little disclaimer. This is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So as you guys can see, we are looking at the 30-minute chart. Zooming in here, we've got quite of a mixed signal. We do have the blue line looking quite bullish, heading towards the positive direction, and the orange line is not looking bullish. It is slightly slanting towards the negative direction, meaning an overall fluctuation in value is what is expected from AMP over the next 12 to 14 hours. So towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, I am expecting AMP to be more or less trading around its current price range. As you can see, it's been quite volatile, but overall it has been maintaining its value, and that is exactly what's likely to take place over the next 12 to 14 hours as well. It's going to be quite volatile. We are going to see a pump, we are going to see a drop back down in value, so on and so on over the coming hours. But towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, I'm expecting it to be more or less trading around its current price range. Now, moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, once again, guys, we are not looking too great. In this case, we got both the blue and the orange line looking quite bearish, heading towards the negative direction, meaning an overall minimal drop in value is what is expected from AMP over the next week or so. So let's say towards the end of next week, AMP should be more or less trading at a slightly lower value than where it is at the moment, potentially dropping below 0.002 cents is what I'm expecting. And as you guys can saw in the monthly chart here, it's been dropping in value quite heavily over the last month, and over the next week or so, I'm expecting it to drop a little bit further. However, that does not mean it's going to be consistently hitting red candles for the next 7-8 days. Of course not. It's likely to hit green candles in between as well. Red and green candles up and down, but the overall outcome seems to be more on the negative side rather than the positive side. So far, not looking too good over the next week. Moving on to the daily chart. Next couple of weeks, what can we see here? Now we're looking positive. Again, we don't have any lines going in a bearish direction, so both the blue and the orange line are both looking bullish, heading towards a positive direction, which is what we want to see. So guys, an overall increase in value is what is expected from AMP over the next 4 to 6 weeks, guys. So let's say, sorry, not 4 to 6 weeks, 6 to 8 weeks. So let's say by mid-August, again September time, we should expect it to be trading at a much higher value than where it is at the moment. Again, it all depends on how the crypto market performs, and to be specific, how Bitcoin performs. For example, if Bitcoin drops down to 20k, then of course we are going to see most cryptos dropping in value quite heavily. However, if we do see Bitcoin pumping up over $35,000, we are likely to see major increases in the crypto market, and that is why I keep you guys updated on a regular basis on the crypto market, to keep you guys in the loop on what my predictions are, my takes on cryptocurrency in general. So guys, make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. But yeah, so far so good for the long term when it comes to AMP. However, for the short term traders out there, I would be careful, and the number one rule when it comes to cryptocurrency is do not invest more than what you can afford to lose. So again, as you guys saw about 2 weeks ago, the crypto market went through a crash. So yeah, that is a prime example of what could potentially happen in the crypto market. But yeah, at the moment, AMP looks good over the next couple of months. But again, I will keep you guys updated on a regular basis on AMP and other cryptocurrencies that I cover on this channel as well. So regarding the next pump, which I am expecting should be early to mid-July 2023. But again, if there are any changes to that or anything like that, I will make sure to keep you guys updated. But at the moment, these are my predictions on AMP. But yeah, that is pretty much it for today's video, guys. Just a quick one on AMP. You guys have requested for regular updates on AMP at least about 3 to 4 times a week, which I will try and keep up to date to keep you guys updated on as well. But yeah, that is pretty much it. I'm not going to keep you guys here for any longer. Before I end the video, I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it is free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash the subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.